on what not to do when you get one of these tanks.
Did that pop up by itself?
That's what it was.
Oh, okay.
When you get one of these tanks that empty out, don't not put too much air pressure in your tank. I put some in there and it was fine. It worked great. And I thought, well, I'll put a little bit more and it'd come out faster. It did. All over the garage. Jack, honey, get out of the oil.
The dog's going to get in it too.
Jack.
He'll be So this tank holds how many old gallons of oil?
20 gallons.
20 gallons.
There's not 20 gallons in it.
So, but you can actually pump out the old and put it in the containers so you could throw them away or take them to your recycle bin.
Yeah. I gotta let some of that air out of that thing.
So is it the pressure? Is it the air pressure pushing it?
Yeah, air pressure, you put that in there and then it pushes it.
Well, this is the first time you've used this, doing that.
Yeah, and the book came with no instructions.
Well, nowadays none of the books come with any instructions. If it does have any instructions, you can't read it because it's in every language but English. Now, is there like a release, air valve release up here?
Yeah, that's what shuts it just goes from going straight up.
Oh.
You shut that off and you open this up and put air in your tank. And I just take it up, it's got a little gauge on it, I just take it up to about the 2.
He's covered in oil. Did you get it in your mouth?
Well, I got it everywhere.
It's down on his arms, down his shirt, down his pant legs.
And my shoes.
And your shoes. And that's your good shoes. And it spewed all the way back, all the way almost to the bench back there, across his tools.
On the cabinets over there.
On the cabinets. I've got a dog here. I'm trying to step around. On my
hair.
Well, everything's got to be greased down in your garage. Well, we've got a few minutes. You've used your lift, what, for a week now? Pros, cons?
All of it.
So all pros, no cons so far.
Go for it.
And I see you've put your wire up and into the garage.
Yeah.
For the electric. So, but yeah, he has, I mean, you can tell it's getting worn. You could tell he's using it. But the other day he was using it. What was you doing? Changing the headlights out on the truck? And you had the truck on here, and it was like eye level with you?
Oh, no, I polished and bumper on that old truck.
Oh, okay.
Everything's just right up here. You don't have to.
So even though maybe he didn't need to get underneath the truck, he didn't have to squat over, bend, stoop. He brought it up to a work level.
If you're waxing or whatever, you can have it up. You can actually wax the bottom. You're not having to lean over and wax.
Right.
But
now, what was it with the mower? Our mower over here, which is the
back wheel was set up, the front wheel was too little, so I'm gonna make me some little ramps that stick on the inside of there so I can pull my mower up on there to change the blades.
Could you actually put the wheels in the tray?
You could. I don't know whether it'd slide or not though.
And then pull it?
It might.
Okay. Yeah. That's the only thing we found a little bit different was the mower. He bought this for this oil collection thing from Vivor, and it collects the oil and it holds it.
That's green, but right there.
Just a little bit of a learning curve.
Yeah, it's a learning curve.
Yeah. Well, so as far as the lift, everything's great. So far as Vivor, give better instructions. Because that's the only
Well,
thing.
they didn't have any instructions.
Any instructions.
Oh, well, there any instructions. That's on top of
Oh. Okay, so read the instructions, in other words.
Yeah, that's right here on the side of the tank.
Sorry, Vivor. He just didn't. Oh, my Lord, you even the cord.
Oh, I know. We'll put it on the wall.
It just exploded on you.
Got me a new hose reel.
Yeah. Well, you know, everything needs oiled from time to time. Yeah.
But it's brand new.
Brand new. Well, everything needs oiled.
We'll have to take a shower before you start working.
It's just wild. I mean, I'm trying not to step in it, but it's all the way over here.
I know I had 3 of these in it.
3 1-gallons.
Yeah, well, changing oil in the 2 things and transmission stuff, fluid in my maroon truck. And I filled up one, and about a quarter of that one, and the rest of it's
Spewed. Oh, well.
But
It'll all wash out.
it will be convenient eventually.
Well, it's convenient, even with the mess.
Well, it will be convenient. It will be feasible.
Yeah.
I wanted this so I didn't make a mess changing oil. And then I make a mess changing oil.
Now you're just going to set them to the side so you can take them.
Let them drain, yeah, I'll take them.
It even went sideways. It went behind. Look at all that up behind you, the chair and everything.
Shut everywhere. Yeah, okay, you're going to have it all over you, but
Well, he's already stepping in it. Yeah. I mean, all the way back here. I think probably about right there. Right there it stopped. Which is good because I had some wood products there.
that long reach down there and turn it off.
Yeah, there's your instructions, people. On the container.
Yeah, there's your instructions.
Right there where you have to turn the valve on and off. So this is one of those do as I say, not as I do videos.
Thing on the phone, man.
Yep. Well, I just thought y'all would enjoy seeing his oops.
Yeah, I always just take it up to 2.
And it probably says do not put too much air pressure.
I had it up to 6.
Yeah. It probably even says right there, please don't add too much air pressure or you will have exploding oil everywhere.
I'm sure it does.
Well, it's good for it. It's good for it.
It ain't gonna rust.
Yeah. Well, this is our typical morning for us. Very typical.
Lesson of the day.
Lesson of the day. Well, we hope you all have a good day enjoy this beautiful weather. We're having beautiful weather here in East Tennessee. Beautiful sunshine. It's going to be nice in the 80s. Get out, enjoy the day. If you have any questions or comments, please ask us. We love talking about this new lift. We enjoy working with it. It's going to be fun to use. It's already came in handy. Last week when I was gone, he did all the maintenance on all of our vehicles. So it's already coming in handy. Neighbors have already been talking, asking when can they come up and use it. So it's all good. It's all good. So, well, remember to like, subscribe, and share. We love your comments and suggestions. It helps keep our channel growing. So, well, remember, as always, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.